Hi guys, today we are playing um MMB. So I have Delta guys. Delta is so annoying and fun at the same time. And Mini is so annoying. Uh, so guys, we are playing MMB. So I am a Delta player. Look at me, I'm outside. So I'm good at Delta. Delta exploits. Can fly. Fly mode. Activate. I'm fine. Ow! No, I just teleport. Ano? Ako po chicken nuggets. Woo! Woo! Murder there. Wee! Aiming goes though. Bro is lost. Ah! Bro, there's the murder. Behind you. Okay, okay. My feet is long. Loading. Yeah. Loading. Hey, what are you doing here? Hello there. Rose lost. Hello there. Bye bye. Ah. Bro is actually lost. Oh my gosh, bro is actually lost.
I have a question as well. Sorry, mate.
Mommy, I want spaghetti. So guys, I'm playing Rivals.
Today from America, right? Which means you're already in
Look, headshot. Blue, 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 blue. A murder. Murder there. Murder. No, 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 no. Oh, cover the hacker. Opo. Right. Opo. Pwede, meron din po ano dyan eh.
Spaghetti?
Opo. Hey, bro. Bro is actually lost already. Hello. Oh. Ama. Oo. Chicken. Steve love a chicken. Yes. Hell. Ooh, mama sick on chicken. Look. Mama sick chicken. Steve love a chicken. Yes. Mama sick.